Hollywood is on the edge. Netflix thought it had Warner Bros. Discovery secured, but suddenly Paramount entered with a $108 billion hostile takeover bid. The studio, they are listening. This is not just corporate drama. This could reshape the future of movies, TV, and streaming forever. Let's rewind. Netflix originally agreed to acquire WBD's studio and streaming assets for $82.7 billion. It was a huge win for Netflix, giving them access to HBO Max, blockbuster franchises like Harry Potter and DC Comics, and massive global content. The idea seemed locked, and Hollywood insiders thought Netflix had the upper hand. Then came the shock. Paramount Skydance launched a hostile $108.4 billion offer directly to shareholders, all cash. Sweeteners included coverage for Netflix breakup fee if their original deal collapsed. Suddenly, Netflix's sure thing was no longer guaranteed. Warner Bros. Discovery now has a 7-day window to see if Paramount can offer a better deal while still publicly supporting Netflix. Why does this matter beyond the boardroom? Because whoever wins controls streaming content for millions globally. Major franchises like Harry Potter, DC Comics, and Game of Thrones, Hollywood production schedules, jobs across studios and streaming teams. A Paramount takeover could change what content you see, where you see it, and when. A Netflix WBD empire, completely different streaming future. The market is reacting fast. Warner Bros. Discovery shares are climbing, Paramount stock is rising, Netflix shares dipped slightly amid investor anxiety. Wall Street analysts are debating which deal will actually survive regulatory hurdles. Paramount's all cash approach looks tempting, but Netflix warns antitrust regulators might block a Paramount win due to potential market concentration. If Paramount wins, studio operations could shift, consolidating more power in a single network. Netflix could lose exclusive content it was counting on. Fans might see delays or changes in upcoming releases. If Netflix holds, streaming dominance grows exponentially. HBO Max merges into the Netflix ecosystem. A new era of content control is established. Here's the current timeline. Paramount has until February 23 to submit their final bid. WBD shareholders vote on the Netflix merger on March 20. Regulatory reviews and antitrust checks could drag negotiations into months of uncertainty. This is not just about money, it's about control of content, audience, and influence in Hollywood. Streaming wars are no longer just Netflix versus Disney. Now, billion-dollar deals are literally shaping the future of entertainment. Paramount wins more competition for Netflix and Disney, but potential delays and regulatory hurdles. Netflix wins, one giant streaming empire with vast control over content distribution and a clear path to global dominance. Industry insiders say this is Hollywood's biggest battle since Disney acquired Fox. Executives are sweating, studios are planning contingency schedules, even minor leaks on social media send fans into frenzy. Clips, old trailers, franchise rumors, everyone is speculating. For viewers, this could mean access to blockbuster releases, changing platforms, HBO Max shows possibly moving to Netflix, delays in new seasons of fan favorite series, bigger changes in subscription costs and bundles. Netflix limited waiver to Paramount shows confidence, but it's also strategy. They are testing Paramount, showing flexibility and keeping investors on edge. This is not reckless, it's a calculated play to secure the best long term control of Hollywood content. Hollywood fans, pay attention. This could be your last chance to see Warner Bros. Content under its current structure. This is boardroom drama, billion-dollar stakes, and streaming wars are rolled into one, and it's happening live. So, who will win this epic Hollywood battle? Netflix or Paramount? Comment your prediction below, hit like and subscribe, and don't miss the full detailed breakdown on our channel. The story, stakes, and behind the scenes drama are far bigger than this short can show. Powered by Action Marketing.